Hi there, it's Dr. Anthony from Ride Chiropractic. So today I'm going to be talking about phone posture. What I'm observing a lot with when I see my patients waiting for their adjustments or what they're doing at home is they're often texting like this or looking at their phones like this, which obviously isn't good for your posture. It causes strains and aches, things like that. And it doesn't look pretty if you've been doing it for a long time when your posture starts coming forward. So this is a very basic thing you can do. If you're using your phone in one hand, you put one hand underneath your armpit like that, and you can use your phone like this. Your phone will be at roughly eye level, which is where you want it. If you do it without that, you'll be down here somewhere. If you're using two hands, again you want your phone roughly at eye level. You can bring your elbows into your side and just rest it there and work on it like this. As soon as you bring your elbows off your side, you'll be down here. So that's a very basic tip that will help you keep good posture when using your phone. I hope that helps. See you next time.